Hi folks, Joe Emanuelli, Remax Los Tres Amigos, Playa Hermosa, Costa Rica. Today I'm with Scott, who is the owner of Clean Coco, Ace Clean Coco. He is steam cleaning all my furniture and floors for me. So, you know, when you're coming to Costa Rica and you think, well, maybe you can't get these kind of services. Well, yes, you can. They're here available. So Scott, why don't you just say hello to everybody and tell folks what you kind of do for the people around the area.
Hello everyone, Scott Boyer here with Ace Clean Coco. I have a steam cleaning business. I clean upholstery, I clean mattresses, I clean car interiors, and I also clean tile floors. So if you're looking for this type of service, and I screwed up.
No, it's okay. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
So, you know, if you need this kind of service, just contact Joe Emanuelli at remax.net. That's Joseph, Emanuelli at remax.net. And, you know, I'll put you in direct contact with Scott, and Scott can take care of all your needs for you. You know, these are done live. These are done on the fly. So, yes, we do screw up, and, you know, we're just human. So, thanks a lot. If you guys need anything, just send us a quick note. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.